Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone is updated and signed into the same Apple ID as the HomePod Mini. Once done, keep the speaker powered and close by. Range matters for handoff and settings. Open the Home app and tap the HomePod Mini card to access controls. You do not need to delete the entire home. Focus on this accessory. Make sure you have the Apple ID password or device nearby, because you'll be asked to confirm the reset to unlink accounts. Now perform the reset. Scroll down on the HomePod card and tap Remove Accessory. You will be asked to confirm removal. Do it. This triggers the unpair and factory reset sequence. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password to disable Find My and fully disassociate the device. Once you confirm, the Home app will show removing, and the top LED will flash. This can take a minute. Be patient and keep the HomePod plugged in and within range until the process completes. To finish, open the Home app and bring your iPhone near the HomePod Mini. Follow on-screen setup prompts to add it as new. If automatic setup fails, unplug the HomePod for 10 seconds, plug it back. Then press and hold the top until the white spinning light turns red to force reset. If problems persist, reboot your iPhone, verify Wi-Fi and iCloud status. Then try again, because most pairing issues stem from network or account sync problems rather than hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.